Namaskar. Every year after a blazing summer, the arrival of monsoon season brings a reason to celebrate with greenery all around. With the first drop of rain and the fragrance of the wet earth, our mind feels rejuvenated. Our bodies too rejoice in the coolness of the changing weather. Whenever a season changes, we have to make changes in our certain daily routines. Our skin is the largest organ of our body and is exposed to the outer world all the time and braves the changing weather conditions. Therefore, at the outset, it is essential to keep our skin protected according to the seasonal changes. Rainy season brings excessive humidity and even unpredictable weather. This could result in the skin becoming oily and even dry and may break out into rashes, acne, and infection, which are most visible on the face. Let us look at the three natural ways to protect our skin in this monsoon weather. First comes cleansing. It is important to clean the face thoroughly, at least twice a day in the monsoon, to keep it free of dirt and excessive oiliness. Try this face mask to achieve best results. Mix half tablespoonful of gram flour or besan and half tablespoon of yogurt or homemade curd, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply this pack on your face and neck and leave it for 15 minutes. Remove gently with a cotton ball moistened in rose water. This face pack generally cleanses, removes suntan and tones the skin by tightening the pores. Next, exfoliating. It is essential to exfoliate the skin 2 to 3 times in a week during the monsoon to get rid of dead skin cells. An excellent face pack contains seeds of pomegranate, which is seasonal fruit packed with antioxidants. Grind half a tablespoonful of pomegranate seeds with half a tablespoonful of oatmeal. Add a teaspoonful of honey and 2 tablespoonful of buttermilk to get a fine paste. Spread this pack on your face, neck and leave it for 15 minutes. If you increase this quantity, this pack could be applied in all other parts of your body also for a thorough exfoliation. This pack scrubs out the dead dry skin and makes the skin glow. Our final step is moisturizing. Try this aloe vera based rich moisturizing pack if your skin seems dry and dull. Mix half tablespoonful of aloe vera gel with half tablespoon of mashed overripe banana and 2 teaspoons honey. Leave this mask on your face and relax at least for 20 minutes. The vitamin A in banana keeps the skin smooth and aloe vera increases the elasticity of your skin, thus erasing any fine lines or wrinkles. Use these fresh homemade face masks to cleanse, exfoliate and moisturize and see that your face is glowing. Receive the monsoon with bright and glowing face. Namaskar.